Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be using the Born Pretty all-in-one quick building nail tips and glue set. So this comes with 5 different kinds of nails. So I figured why not be a little crazy and put all 5 of the styles on my hand and do a design. So let's get into the video.
A big thank you to Born Pretty for sending this over to me to do a product review. I really do appreciate it. I have a 10% off coupon code, which is Lisa Catalano. I'll have it on the screen and in my description box. I also have an affiliate link, so please check that out. The link for Amazon and for their website will be listed in my description box.
Okay, so we see the nail file, 180, 100. You got your little cute book, your user manual. Tells you how to use, what's in here, specifications, all that. And then you get some French nail tip guides. You get 2 packs. They are the same. So you get some red chrome powder, and red is in for the summer right now, as well as Varsity letters. So I will be adding both of those into my design for today. So I'm gonna do a red set. You get their portable nail lamp, the buttons inside, really nice, it's USB, provide a cord. You do get their 6-in-1 nail glue. So the last items are the nail tips. So let's see what we got going on. So we got some ballerinas, I believe. And I'm pretty sure they give you 2 of each. And then you get long full cover coffins. Here you have coffin nail tips, some, I guess, medium coffin full covers. And then I really like how these look. You get, seems like XL square nail tips. So this is pretty cool. You get 2 packs of those. You get a bunch. Like I said, I'm going to use 1 of each nail since it works out perfectly. We get 5 different and I got 5 fingers. I really do just want to use everything that came here, you know, why not? Okay, so I'm not going to be doing any nail prep because I do have this meet across peel off base coat on. I think I'm going to do my thumbnail, the shortest one, and I'm going to use these full cover coffins here. So the first way I'm going to use this product, which is really nice, by the way, nice and thick for the builder gel, really clear, is I'm going to do a thin coat on my actual thumb. Some drippage. And then I am going to put a good amount in the tip and use this as a glue for the full coverage. So I'm going to use this lamp, turn that on. It's like really easy to turn that on. Just a light touch. So I'm going to push this down, make sure it's straight. And I'm going to put it in the lamp. Okay, gave that a flash cure. And there's the first nail. Second nail. Now I know my nails are all long and uneven, but I'm really trying to grow them out. So, you know, I don't really want to cut it or anything. So I think for my second nail, since it's pretty long, I'm gonna go with the long coffin just to try to like protect the nail I got going on already. So again, on my fingernail. And then inside the tip. Hope that's enough. This light is so nice that it's just a quick little tap and you can get down to business.
I'm going to go ahead and glue on the rest of these tips off camera, and I will be back.
Okay, so I got these all on, and now I am going to cure them for a full 60 in my big lamp. Now I'm going to go in with my 5-in-1 fine tapered drill bit. Just go around that cuticle area. I have this on like 10 RPMs. So now I'm just going to sand down this area where the tip and my natural nail meet. Just so I don't have a Humpty Hump. So that's all done, and now I'm going to add some product. I'm just going to do a wet layer to these nails, covering the whole nail, of course. So basically, since I'm not going to wear these for too long, I'm just going to build up these 3 nails for where my nail and the tip meet, so there's no bump. So the other 2 that are full coverage, I'm just going to leave them as is.
After that was done, I took my hand file and I went around my cuticle area, shaped up the side walls, and smoothed out the whole nail.
Okay, so I am all shaped up, buffed up, and base coated up. So what I want to do for this nail set is I want to paint my nails in a red jelly. So I don't have a red jelly, so I do have this Beetles red gel polish in 448. I will list this in the description box along with this Born Pretty set, of course. And I'm going to make my own jelly, adding some red. And then I'm pouring in my rubber top coat, just because it'll be a little thicker, add some more strength, and as well, it's easier to pour out. So I just want to test out this color, see if I like it, if it's clear enough. Yeah, it is. Just gave that a flash cure. So this is my second coat. I think I'm just gonna do 2 coats because any more, it probably won't be too jelly-like. Okay, so here's what that jelly's looking like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this to all of my nails. Yeah, I'm gonna cure the first layer on all these nails. I'm gonna do the second coat and I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see, I took some of these French tip stickers and I did like a smile line kind of thing here and then a French tip down here. So my plan is to take this chrome powder and put it below. This is so pretty, this chrome powder. Put it all down here at the tip area. And then I gotta do this very neatly. Do it in between this white. So instead of using a big duster brush, I want to use this tiny brush here, dust off the product so it doesn't go on any other parts of my nail. So now let's pull this back. Take that off. And then the last one, look how pretty that is. Now I need one of these Q-tips, not Q-tips. I call these things everything but what they are. They are eyeliner cleanup brushes. I call them eyelash brushes all the time. And today they're a Q-tip. I'm gonna come in with the Beetles top coat because I'm running really, really low. So it doesn't matter if I mess up this brush. Okay, for my middle nail, I wanna do a layer of this 6-in-1 and I'm gonna use it as a blooming gel. Okay, so I have Nail Reserve Temptation on my palette, and I have that same Beetles red that I used to do this. So I'm just gonna take the pink, I'm gonna swirl it in wherever areas. Let it bloom out. Now I'm gonna flip it over, take some red, do the same thing, all sporadically. Now I want to go along with this pink one, and I'm just gonna randomly smush it together, swirl it together rather. To create this smoky pink and red look. Gonna bring this up on the side over here. I didn't want to go close to my cuticle because I didn't want it to bloom on it, but looks like I should add a little up there. Got the sticker. And I'm going to cure that up. Okay, I went ahead and I finished up doing some red chrome tips on my pinky and my thumb. Now I'm going to go in with that same pink and outline the smile line, the tip, the edges, everything to tie in that varsity letter striped jacket look that they have. So I'm going to do that to all of these nails and I will be back. All finished up. Here is the end result of these nails. So just a reminder, I did use every tip in the kit. And this is the ballerina, the coffin tip, the extreme square, the extreme coffin full cover, and the medium coffin deep sea curve nail. So all these nails are beautiful. They were great to work with. And the bloom, the 6-in-1 is amazing with the blooming gel and the base and the builder and the everything. So just thank you again to Born Pretty for sending me this kit. And a big thank you to you guys for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.